Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from, and that is also where our first update comes into play, and this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So this level right up here around 23.5 was an area of support, but with the gap down this morning, it was very... The market was polite to just let everybody know, yeah, that level is no longer going to be considered a level of support because the price is actually opening up down below it, which then prompted, and what I'm going to talk about as, really map out as the near-term level of resistance now going forward, and that's right there at 23 cents. I get at the price, well, I suppose right there it basically hit it exactly. Right there, it didn't hit it exactly, but got within the ballpark of it. So a point here being, if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, 23 cents is now going to be that key battleground that'll need to be broken in order to really generate any sort of further potential upside momentum. So like I said, I'm not saying the price can't bounce or anything like that. My point is that before you get really too excited about any sort of bounce, let's just see that first off, can the price even get up to 23 cents? And second, if it can, how does the price react around that area? So keep an eye on that level going forward. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy here, just a matter of where the bleeding stopped today. And that was right down there around the 22 cent mark. And just to offer up a little bit more context here, 22 cents I would call pretty important, because if that level does not hold up, now I'm not saying that within 2 seconds the price is dropping down in this area, but if 22 cents does not hold up, next key level of support, not until down there at the 20 cent mark. Which when we're talking about a 20 cent stock, that's a pretty big move from a percentage standpoint. So again, I'm not saying that if 22 cents fails, the price is going straight down to that level. My point is that, the chart opens up quite a bit more and there is more space to the downside. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, there's no need to beat around the bush. Very rough day today. But we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.